Do you know that many small businesses are failing, not because they don't have great ideas, but because their systems are holding them back? If you are one of them, please know that you're not alone. I actually started three different businesses in three different occasions, and I had the same exact problem. I had to close down these businesses. So I realized that I was working so hard, yet I wasn't seeing the result that I expected. I felt stuck. The good thing is I was able to figure that out over time. And one thing I've also realized is that many small and medium-sized businesses find themselves in this same situation. Well, there is a way out. I'm going to be sharing with you some of the things that I have done, and I have also applied this same concept with many other small and medium-sized businesses, and they are thriving too. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you 3 reasons why SMBs struggle and 3 action strategies to fix them fast. So please stay tuned. My name is Fomafung. I help small and medium-sized businesses work smart and grow fast. So let us get into some of the reasons why these businesses face struggle. The first reason is overcomplicated workflow. Too many steps slow businesses down. The second reason is reactive decision making instead of proactive decision making. Constantly putting out fires instead of planning ahead. And the third, scaling pains. More businesses means more stress without the right system. So how do you overcome these 3 key issues that are killing so many businesses? And by the way, at the end of the day, these small businesses are stuck in the traditional way of managing work and business. So with the help of our modern business management strategies, here is how I was able to liberate my business and that of many other small businesses. So the first is streamlined workflows. You need to cut out unnecessary steps so that you can focus on what truly matters. Secondly, you want to use agile workflow techniques. That is, you work in smaller, smarter cycles instead of chaotic context switching. Even though many of us will call it multitasking, there is no such thing as multitasking. Last but not the least, empowered team culture. You want to give your employees priority and ownership over their work. Now, my question to you is, which of these challenges that I just highlighted resonates with you the most as a small and medium-sized business owner? Drop your comment below. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and follow for more strategies to grow your business smarter and generate revenue faster. You do not have to struggle alone. We are all in this together. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.